What is this? What is this? What's going on, everybody? It's Gary from Killer Off-Road Hobbies, back with another video. A huge thanks to StarKnightMT for sending me this product that I'm going to be doing an installation video on. So let's get into it. All right, everybody, so this is a window net kit that will work on this 2022 Can-Am Maverick X3 Max. So all you gotta do is go to StarKnightMT's website, put in your year, make, model, and all your goodies, and all the stuff they have will pop up for you. It's really easy to use website. Everything has come really fast. I have been impressed with everything I have gotten through them. So go check them out. I mean, they're legit. They're a legitimate website and they make good quality stuff. As you can see, I'm still running my windshield. I'm still running all the stuff they've sent to me to review for them. They're a solid company and I definitely recommend them. So let's pop this open, see what's in here, and then get into the installation video. All right, so I like these bags. You can actually reuse these bags too. Like, I really like these bags. So, wow, we got window nets. That's exactly what we wanted. And I have been wanting a set of these for a long time. My friend actually has a set of window nets and they work incredibly well for keeping a lot of stuff out of your cab. Check it out. So looks like it's going to be easy installation. You've just got Velcro straps, some little hook clips. Just got to figure out which one goes where. I am going to guess that these ones I'm messing with right now are possibly the rear windows. And oh, well, these might help. So we do have instructions here, and it does look like these are the front, not the rear. The rear are the smaller ones, as we can see by the instructions here. So yeah, we've got all our directions where you just clip it on and everything. So it looks pretty easy. And yes, they do have the little buckle clips where you fold it back to open the doors and everything. Now, I do have the stealth door skins on mine, but the cool thing is it uses all the stock hardware. So it will work on these doors. It will work on your normal stock doors. It shouldn't be any problem at all. So let me kind of figure which ones go where, and then we'll start the installation process. Thank you again, StarKnightMT. You guys are awesome. All right, so the only two tools you might need, I'm just using this to give me a little gap because I don't want to pull the roof off, which just anything to create a little bit of space. This is plastic, it's flexible, it's not going to hurt anything. And then if you have the Can-Am speakers in the back like I do, you might need one of these star wrenches. So let's get this back window net put up and then we'll do the front one. Put that in there to create a little space for myself. I already pulled my speaker loose, so it's going to go in here right like this. So it's just Velcro, you guys. Easy stuff. So you're going to go around this back C-pillar. Get it on there pretty square and just put the Velcro on. And then you see where I created this gap right here? Super easy. See how that works? And then you just feed it through here. Tighten it up. Stick the Velcro on. These ones have the clips. Easy, just pull the clip off. And this one is fed in backwards. So we're just going to change it around. Super quick and easy. And let's see where it goes. Looks like it goes right here. So make a gap right there. Feed it over the top. Through the clip. Tighten that puppy down. See that? Just clips right to it, guys. Super, super easy. So we've got 2 more of these. This one's gonna go right here, the top of the B-pillar. So we'll do that. There, check it out. Clip. Clip. We got 1 more to do midway. Put that in, and then you can open your door, put your little clips on. So that one can go right to the back of the door, tighten it down, and this one can go right to the front of the door. Check that out. See, no harm, nothing done just by sticking something to get a little gap in there. Everything's looking good. I think I'm gonna switch that around just so it's uniform, matches all the rest. But now I gotta put my speaker back on, which is just those 2 holes right there, and we'll do the front window. So let's get you in here a little bit closer for this last one. So it's gonna go like this. It's got the StarKnightMT logo on the bottom. So it's gonna go right like that, people. So let's get it done. First thing we're gonna do is have a little spacer right there so that we can get this on in here. So bring it through from the back side. There it is. Through there. There's a little web back in here that stops it right there. That's plenty. And then you just work it around there with your fingers. From the inside, push up a little bit, right there. So we come back to this one. I got under my mount, got a little new GoPro mount, so I can get better footage for you guys. Look at that, perfect, perfect, perfect. I have to actually this one's easy, we can just untwist that. See what we got going on. Okay. There's a little cattywampus on that one. Oh, that's why it's stuck to this thing. Okay. Now we should be good. There we go. Wondering why. There it is. That's perfect. Now all we need to do is put this back in here. Boom. on here real quick. So you can see, just do that. Leave it loose. See where it needs to be. I like this stuff tight, so I'm gonna put it right there. Check that out. Boom. Alright. Last Velcro strap. Goes right here. I like that, everybody. Check that out. So now, there's a little hole in the door. Hopefully you guys can see it right there. So that's where I hooked this one. Right in that hole. And this one, just hook it right here, around that, and then I'll pull it tight when I shut the door. And then this one, I let it out a little bit. Not a little bit, all the way. And I make sure I get it under that, right there. And now I'll shut that, reach in from the front, tighten that down. Check that out, everybody. That looks good. And these work to help keep stuff out. They work. Like I said, my friend has them. And I was super impressed. That's why I wanted these, because it doesn't only help with like leaves and stuff, mud. This literally helps stop mud from getting in the cab, which is huge. So my Can-Am speakers fit back on, perfect. They're on there nice and tight, both sides. We'll give you a walk around. Check it out. That looks sick. I love it, man. This thing is just getting cooler and cooler by the day. So let's see how easy it is to get in this thing. Clip, clip, open door. Ta-da! All right, so in the rear, clip, 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 open door. Look at that, plenty of room. Now, let's put this back. And clip. Let's see the visibility we got in here. All right. And how easy it is from the inside. So let's shut our door. Clip. Clip. Ready to go. You can see everything out of it. No problem. Look at that. Excellent visibility out of these things. Ooh, look, my crawler build. No problem at all. Oh, I'm so excited about these things, guys. I dig it. I dig it. Whew, it's a little hot out here, you can't tell. Well, anyways, that's how you install these window nets on a Can-Am X3. A two-door would be even easier than that because you wouldn't have to do the rear. But they're all tight. They look amazing. They feel super high quality. They're gonna be on my rig. Ugh, it's hot, sorry. They're gonna be on my rig for the long term. So the only thing I would recommend when you're doing the install is just get anything. It could be a screwdriver or anything. It's so much easier than pulling all this off because, you know, to get the roof off, I would have had to take this off, these off. That one's super simple. Why aren't all of these like that? I don't know. Can-Am, do that. Do that all over. Anyways, anything to just get yourself a little gap under there so you can get your fingers under there, or you can take your roof off if you feel like it. I mean, it's your prerogative, right? But that's going to be the install on the StarKnightMT window nets. I'm super excited about it. Thank you so much, StarKnightMT, for providing these for this video. I really hope that you guys take the time to go check their website out. They are legitimate, people, I'm telling you. They've got tons of stuff for every kind of rig, and yeah, they are super legit. That's gonna be it for this install video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, go ahead and shoot the thumbs down. go check out StarKnightMT. The link is in the description. Link directly to these will be in the description as well. And everybody get out there, go ride. It's hot right now, but hey, it's all about having fun. All right, I'm Gary from Killer Off-Road Hobbies. Until the next video, peace.